Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel VBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to solve top 5 MIS interview question. In each question, you guys will be learning something new. So let's solve question number 1 first. In the question number 1, we need to generate the decimal numbers. Randomly, we need to generate the decimals numbers between 0.2 to 0.9. Alright, so here we can't use rand between. In the rand between, we can, in rand between what happens. So if you want to generate the numbers between 10 to 20, and I would write, it is asking that bottom value will be 10 and top value would be 20. So whatever the numbers here I have populated using rand between, these number neither would be more than 20 nor less than 10. Alright, but in the decimal, in terms of generating the decimal values, so this formula won't be work. So here we need to use rand, okay, multiply by 0.8. Whatever would be your toppest value, okay, whatever the number that you want to generate between the two numbers, the bottom value would be your starting number, and the largest number would be, and toppest number would be your, the maximum number till where you want to generate the numbers, right? So you need to do -1 in both the values. So instead of 0.9, I am writing here 0.8, okay, and plus, instead of 0.2 here I would be writing 0.1. okay, so this is how you guys can generate the decimals, random numbers. So here, no, I mean here none of the decimal numbers would be 0.9 or less than 0.1. okay, you guys can see here we don't have any numbers. Every number here we can see between 0.2 to 0.9. So this formula you guys can use to generate the random numbers, random decimal numbers. Okay, this file I would attach. Okay, I would give you the link in the description box from where you guys can download this file. All right, 0.2. Okay, 0.2 to 0.9 we have generated the number. So now we have solved this question. Let's move to the question number 2. In the question number 2, here what we need to do, you guys can see here we have here we will be solving this question through two formulas. Okay, way1 and way2. You need to add 30 minutes in each interval on the flow data. The required output is this. Here we have 0, 30. Okay, so here what I want to add 30 minutes, okay, in each interval, so that it would get increased till where, till 23:30. It means 11:30. All right, if I would talk about in 12 hours. So I need to add 30 minutes, okay, in each interval, and in each time. For example, here it is 1 o'clock. So here it should be 1:30, then 2, then 2:33, like this I want. Okay, so the first way, the simple thing, the most of the people do, equal to time, we extract from here hours, and then we extract the number, we extract the minute. In the minutes we add 30, and in second you guys can put 0. Okay, if you would drag it till here, you guys can see all the numbers are same. Okay, the first way is this, but yes, in second what we can do, simply we can do plus inverted comma 0030. okay, this is how you also can generate. So this is the simple way. This one is best. Okay, I hope guys you have learned here something new. Okay, in this question there are two ways through which that you can add the 30 minutes in each interval. All right, in question number 3, what we need to do, this is something which is, I believe, will be tricky or will be little logical. So here what we need to do, here you guys can see in this column, in this row number 4, you guys can see it is coming 1A, 2A, 3A. It means these numbers are changing, but this text are being consistent with each number. Okay, 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, and again you will go, then it is B, B, B. Number is same, whatever the numbers we have in the columns, the numbers are being repeated one by one, but the alpha, the letters A, B, C, D, which is repeating, okay, in the rows only, not in the columns. 1B, 2B, 3B, right, like this. But here somewhere we have a blank value. Okay, blank value like this 15C, and after that we don't have any. After 15C we don't have any. This is something, this is empty cell. Okay, we need to fill it through using any formula or through any feature of Excel. Okay, so here the question is complete the shaded region below using formula in the same pattern as the first and two rows are filled. Okay, here you guys can see first and two rows are filled. Okay, in this pattern this row number 6, row number 6 should also fill. Okay, after 15C it should be 16C. Okay, in row number 7 after 20D it's 20D, it should be 13D, then 14D, then 15D, then 16D. Okay, so on we need to do it. Here we have the blanks values. Okay, wherever I have filled the color blue color. So what we need to do and how we can do it, we need to select all the data, press Ctrl G, go on special and select blank. As soon as you are selecting the blank, you need to follow the pattern. The first thing is coming numbers, so I have freeze it 2 times and text 3 times, 1 2 3, and Control Enter you need to press. You guys can see it is 16C, 13D, 14D, 15, 16, so on. So we have done it. Okay, I hope guys you have liked. This is something which is tricky, I believe. Okay, let's move to the question number 4. In the question number 4, what we need to do here, we need to color, we need to change the font color, but if the numbers are between 20 to 20, it means format the numbers below so that the font color of a numbers greater than 20 it should red. Okay, and less than 20 it should be blue. That's what we need to do. How we can do? Control A, you can go directly on the condition formatting, highlight the cells. Okay, but we need to color the font. We need to change the font color, not the cell color. But for example, I am clicking greater than 20. Okay, so red, these numbers are red. Okay, but you guys can change the setting. You can go on the condition formatting. Okay, manage rule. In the manage rule you can click on edit rule. In the edit rule, instead of format, okay, you guys can, in the fill color, you guys can clear it and go on the font color. In the color you guys can select the font color red, and you can also do it bold. Okay, and okay, and okay, and you need to apply or click OK. Okay, so this is how you guys can color the values which are greater than 20, but the one condition is still pending. Okay, we need to color those values which are less than 20. Those numbers should be, those number font color should be blue. Okay, so just select it, Alt HALN, or you can also do this simple way I'm telling you, less than 20. Okay, click on OK. So the same thing we have done. We need to remove the background color of the cell. Then you need to go in the condition formatting, manage rule. Okay, and you need to go in edit rule, format. In the fill color you can clear it, go in the font option and select the blue one and bold, click on OK. Okay, apply and OK. You guys can see the values which are greater than 20, those values font now turn into the red color. Okay, and those numbers which are less than 20, this should be the less than equal to 20, but I just chosen here less than 20. You guys can change it in your case. Okay, less than 20, these numbers turn into the blue one. Okay, so I hope guys you have learned how we can do such a conditional formatting. Okay, now let's move to the question number 5. In the question number 5, what we need to do, we need to write a formula to separate the first, middle and last name. I need to write only one formula here which can help me to extract the first, middle and last name in a one go. Okay, like this, Rohit, for example, Rohit. Okay, Dev, here in the first name we don't have the last name. The Okay, in the last name, if for example in future if any last name would add, for example Singh, it should automatically appear here. Such a formula we need to prepare. You guys can write equal to substitute, okay, space, and freeze these cells, okay, three times. And all text you need to mention space, and how you need, I mean what you need to replace, you need to write here wrap function. In the wrap you need to repeat space 100 times, okay. That's what we did. And now we need to use mid. In the formula bar you guys can see you need to use mid. In the mid the starting number should be 1, okay. A1 we are choosing, A1 is standing for 1. As soon as we will be dragging it in the right side, it would be, you know, being increased 1 2 3 4 5 so on, okay. So it is 100. Then how many numbers we are wanting? 100, for example. The, you know, Rahit come, we need to trim it. We need to trim this and drag it like this, okay. You guys can see, for example Dev I am removing, Singh I have removed, and drag the formula. You guys can see, right? If for example you have lot of words and you want to separate it, you just need to drag the formula like this, okay. So I hope guys you have liked the video and you have learned something new in each question, okay. You guys can download this Excel file, okay, from the description box. I will be giving the link there. You guys can download it and you can do the practice, guys, okay. So let's meet in the next video with a new topic. And for the time being, thank you so much everyone for watching this video. And I'll be teaching you something new in the next video, okay. Bye bye everyone, take care.